convey a message to the Russian Federation.
The Latvian delegate at the S meeting tells the Russian delegation to go and F themselves. This hurts the Russians' feelings and they get up and leave.
Thank you.
Российская делегация здесь находится по праву и не является слоном. Мы не потерпим в адрес России, в адрес президента. Не дадим возможности врагам России в таком стиле в этой ассамблее. Поэтому те, кто хотят остановить Россию, могут выйти из этого зала вместе со своими украинскими флагами. Спасибо.
I asked a member to desist of disorderly behavior.
The 72nd Balot-Serkivska turns Russian armored vehicles into scrap metal next to Vuhledar. Snipers of the Special Operations Center A of the SBU organized another batch of good Russians. They decided to massively intimidate the inhabitants of the regions in Russia with air raid alerts on the radio. In Belgorod, Saratov, Staroyarskal, Ufa, Voronezh, Kazan, Novorossk and the Moscow region, only a siren played instead of favorite songs.
Всем немедленно проследовать в укрытие. Внимание! Внимание! Угроза ракетного удара.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.